Hello, it's LMTX. Today I will talk about metadata and data in IoT systems. Metadata gives meaning to data. Data without a meaning is simply noise without a value. In the IoT domain, device metadata describes that device. A few examples of device metadata: the MAC number, firmware version. In case of smart home appliance, it might be assignment to a room. Data or telemetry data describe the environment, typically using sensor readings. That might be temperature, heartbeat rate, or battery level. This is the sample architecture we used before. Today, let's focus on the data flow. This is the simplified version of previous picture. Device generates the metadata and sends it to the IoT core. IoT core is using rules to decide how to process this data. In this case, metadata. And metadata should be stored in DynamoDB. There are multiple ways to store metadata in AWS, but DynamoDB is for sure one of valid options. Now, device generates the data, so telemetry data based on sensor readings. It sends it to the IoT core. IoT core is using rules once again. Telemetry data should be handled differently than metadata, and can be stored, for instance, in timestream database, which is one of possible options. I hope that this brief overview of metadata and data in IoT deployments was interesting for you. All the best, LMTX from fingerx.com.